In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use projects in QuickBooks Online. This process is particularly useful for streamlining your workflow and ensuring that all aspects of your projects are accounted for and organized well. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to QuickBooks Online and log into your account. Make sure to have your login credentials at hand for a seamless entry. Once you've logged in, you'll see various options on the dashboard. Now direct your attention to the left side of the screen, which is home to a menu panel that houses a range of tools for your business needs. In this menu panel, you will need to click on Work. Selecting this option takes you to a segment where you get to manage all your projects, keeping track of progress, tasks, and finances all in one place. It helps to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options available on this panel if you're new to QuickBooks Online. Next, find and click on Create Project. This step is pretty straightforward and is crucial for initiating a new project entry into your system. A new window should appear, prompting you with further options to customize your project details. It's best to already have an idea of the project's scope and goals at this stage for accuracy. Moving on, you'll need to select a project template. Templates are helpful as they provide a basic structure around which you can tailor your project specifics. You might see various options here, so select the one that best fits your particular project's needs. Project templates often come with default settings that you can customize further, depending on your workflow. As you progress, it's time to select a client name. Ensure that the client you wish to associate with this project is already in your database for a quick selection. If not, you might need to add the client details first before proceeding to avoid any snags. Now, it's important to assign the project to someone in your team. Assigning a responsible person helps in delegating tasks and makes tracking progress and accountability easier. Select from a list of available names within your organization. Don't forget to set a due date. A deadline will guide your milestone settings, pacing, and overall project scheduling. Ensure the set date aligns with client expectations and team capabilities. Along with this, select the project status, which will help in tracking whether a project is pending, in progress, or completed. Finally, after reviewing all the details to ensure their correctness, hit Save. This final step commits your project information into the QuickBooks Online system, ready for you to manage and update as needed. You'll find that using QuickBooks Online not only helps in managing the financial aspects, but also provides a robust platform for comprehensive project management. And there you have it, a straightforward way to create and manage projects within QuickBooks Online. Happy managing!